Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We are going to talk about funded accounts today. We have two funded accounts, actually three, that have good sales. So what you do is you go to spymoneyllc.com, go to funded account at this tab, and then you scroll down. This one has 50% off right now. This one has 50% off, and this one has 80% off. If you're looking for something more short term that you can make money quicker, the U profit and the earn to trade are your better ones. U profit, you'll get paid quicker because there's only a 10-day evaluation. Earn to trade, there's a 15-day evaluation. So between these two, I pick the U profit over these two. I like it better. And I also like that you can have three paid accounts with this one, where earn to trade you can only have one. So you can buy three accounts, pass them, and then you can go ahead and trade all three at the same time. We have a trade copier that's in the Ninja Suite that allows you to do that. So all your bots and manual trade and everything will just trade across the board the way it should. Apex, in my opinion, is probably the best one long term because you can have up to 20 accounts. So to give you an idea of what 20 accounts looks like, this is me trading. I picked up a little trade this morning. So I've got all of this. So call it $200 for number's sake. $200 times 20 is going to be $4,000 that I have made this morning just trading. So when you have a lot of accounts and you have a proper system that's going to work for you, then you can go ahead and make quite a bit. My goal is I like to make around $500 to $1,000 per account per day. So if it's $1,000, that's 20,000. Some days I'll run it up to over 2,000, close to 3,000 per account. So $3,000 will be $60,000. So it depends on what you want to do, your skill set, what you can do, how the market's moving. Right now, as you can see, the market's not moving great. I did scalp this one candle right here, and it come back on me and stopped me. But I did come out with green. So I was 5 contracts long right here. And I wish it hadn't come down, because if it didn't, I would still be in the trade. Now we have different indicators, bots, and stuff like that. Everything comes in the Ninja Suite. So we can help you as far as getting to the goals that you want. If you click on any of these three logos, they will give you the discount. So if you click on the Apex, you scroll down, the best one, in my opinion, is the 50,000 count. It's only $3,000 profit goal. So you can make that, pretty quick. You got 10 days to make this. If you make $300 a day, you hit your goal. The coupon code is right here. So you just double click that and right click and copy it. And then whenever you start now, there's a place that you can put a coupon code in to save the 80%. If you go to the U profit, it'll automatically figure it in. So when you scroll down, you can do the 50,000 or the 100,000, but you get 50% off. So clicking these links will get you those discounts that you need. And in my opinion, most people, the $50,000 account's all you need. You don't need any more. This one's only a $2,500 profit goal. You get 6 contracts that you can trade. So it's 6 contracts. Most people will never trade more than 6 contracts. But again, this one is going to have your 80% off, and you get 10 contracts, which I like better. And long term, you're going to have 90% payout, where this one's 80% and this one's 80%. If you click this one here, you scroll down, and your discount is automatically figured in for you. So as soon as you click that, it'll open up, and that's where you can make the money. So my opinion, I have U profit and I have Apex. I have a past earn to trade, but I've never activated it. What I don't like about it is it's scaling even after U profit is too. I don't like the scaling. If I have the money in the account and I want to trade 10 contracts, I want to have that ability to do it. These two, you have to make up to a certain amount before you can trade your full um, contracts. But as far as fast money, this one you can start getting paid in about 4 weeks. This one's going to take you about 3 months. So if you started Apex today, your first check would be February 1st. That's the as soon as you can get paid if you hit everything the way you're supposed to. Pass your evaluation in 10 days. You do your funding, because you have to trade 25 more days after that in order to request a payout. And you only get paid once a month here. You profit, you can get paid every day if you want. Once you make money, if you make $1,000 and you need that money, you do a request and they send it to your bank account. And the earn to trade, you can do the same thing, except it's once a week on earn to trade. This is your faster payout. This is your better payout long term. So you could take your U profit and go ahead and do it to make the money to pay for your Apex. And then after about 3 months or so, you're going to be able to start getting paid on this one. And then you can just trade both of them. You cannot trade them both at the same time because they both use rhythmic connection. So you can only sign in to one or the other. That's due to NinjaTrader. But again, actually today and tomorrow, you profit is 50%. After that, it goes back to 30. So you need to do that now. Apex is good through, I believe, the end of the month. I might be wrong on that, but I think it's the end of the month. No. This one is through, I think it expires on Tuesday. So this one you've got a week, and this one you've got 2 days. So this one will expire, well, that would be the end of the month, Tuesday. This will be the end of the month. This will be tomorrow. So if you don't buy this one today or tomorrow, you're not going to get it. At midnight Eastern time, this coupon goes away. So get on it today. Do this before you get the stuff with turkey and fall asleep and forget. Get your funded accounts and um, start on them. Actually, you could start a trade today that would count for this week. So that would count your 10 days today. If you have questions, contact me. Put your information in here. If you need to talk to me, put what time is best for you and put it as Eastern time. That's what time zone I'm on. That way we don't get confused about times. But put the time Eastern time in here. And the best time to contact you, if I can, I will. The Ninja Suite, I'll run over this real quick. It is a suite of products. It's all of the indicators on the website, plus the good indicators, the ones that really do well, are included in the Ninja Suite. And you can't buy or lease those separate. It's only in the Ninja Suite. We have auto trading bots. We have more bots than this, but we mainly use our Sweet Scalper right now. That's mainly what we're using. And then we also have live training. I do some live trading, not much. The Discord room is where it all happens. This is where I call everything out, tell you what I think is going to happen at the market levels, entries, tell you when to look for longs only or shorts only or whichever. So the Discord room is really going to help you a lot. It is really, really good. So, and then as far as this, let me show you. We have a trade copier, and I am going to show, got to hide some of the stuff, but this is a Spy Money trade copier. As you can see, it has my live accounts up here. There's a couple sim accounts, and then there is all of my Apex accounts. So you can pick what you want to trade at any time. You can change the quantities. So if you want to trade, say, 3 contracts here, 2 there, 4 here, 5, whatever, you can just change these quantities to whatever you want, or you can make them all exact. So your exact is going to be what most people are going to do because you're going to trade 1 or 2 contracts across all accounts, and or 10 or whatever it is that you're trading. And you can also change it to micros. So let's say that you have a small account and a large account, and maybe one of these are real close to your drawdown. You can change these over to micros to where it will trade the micro instead. So you pick your NQ, and then when you check this, then it will make this account trade the micro. So that's the way it works. So the trade copier comes with this. This is a big part of the Ninja Suite to where you can actually trade all of those accounts on one chart. So how do I do it? What I do is this is what I'm looking at all the time. I have one chart. I have my positions tab. I have my orders tab. And then up here, I have my account, so I can see how much money I've made or lost. And then this will let me know if I have open orders or anything. So when this closes out, I always want to check and make sure there's no open orders. So we've got, for the most part, it does pretty good. Rhythmic still has a issue with sometimes having a hanging order, and that's why we look at this. It's a NinjaTrader thing, but you can see here, I took that one trade. This would actually be the short that we would take, and we would probably take it down to the Spy Money balance. That's probably where it's going. All of this right here is automatic. There's nothing on here that I had to manually do. We have this channel tool, and it actually finds all of your direction and everything for you. The only thing you have to do is on the sweet scalper, you wait for this. When you get the pullback, then you hop in the short, and then this right here would be your winning trade. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Again, go up to the Contact Us page. We can go up here, you fill that out, and send me an email. And if I don't talk to you, you all have a happy Thanksgiving. Spend some time with your family. Get you lots of turkey to eat. We have a lot of people in other countries that don't celebrate the Thanksgiving because they're not in America. America is the one that celebrates Thanksgiving. But if you're not part of America, go get you a turkey and celebrate with us. Call your kids or your family up. Tell them you love them, and let them just know that you're there for them. You guys have a great day. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, and I will see you tomorrow.